What's up, guys? What's up? Do Roblox Studio. Can you guys hear me okay? Am I talking loud enough? I'm going to walk you guys through Roblox Studio today. Haven't done this in a while. But here it is. Me in the flesh. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Can you guys hear me? Let's go. Alrighty. So I'm working on this game here. Now it's the landmine tower. I changed it. I guess we'll wait till some more people come in here. Or we could just go ahead and do it, since it's going to be recorded. I think that's it. That's what I was looking for. Bring up this. Well, that didn't work. We're just messing around here. But we're going to show you guys some things here. Just like trying to figure this thing out here because well, it's probably not going to work. I don't know why it's not working today. So we'll just hide it. We'll just delete it. Oh, for some reason it's not working. did something. Okay, there we go. Wow, that took a while to figure out. So there's our current subscribers right there. Thank you guys for 115. See if I can place this somewhere where you guys can still see the screen. And we're cooking with Crisco. Somewhat. Oh my gosh. Let's pull that back up. My goodness, I'm having difficulties here. Expand that. And jump back in here. Okay, there it is. Now we can go in here. Perfect. So here is the obby, the landline tower right here. And this is where we started. We even got a helicopter up here. You guys are willing to try this thing out here. I gotta do some testing myself to make sure everything works properly. And then the next stage is just pretty much you can take the helicopter, fly around, have fun. You can shoot at people. Or you can continue on to the next stage and just go across here, and then you fall down here, and then you fall down to here. You're basically like in a free fall kind of phase. So we'll eventually put in some more landmines. Got to work on that. But I got to do at least 115 stages total, since I said I'd do a stage for every subscriber. So we're at 59 right now. And then this one right here is, I think, 58. Oh, okay. Yeah, and then here's 59. And then we can check that because there's the script, and then here's the stage. So yeah, 59. This one was 59. And then we can hit Control D to duplicate that. We can move it out if we need to. This will be 60. So you're gonna want to show you guys how this is done in a little bit, but I'm gonna move that out, click on this, and then change this to 60, so it will now have 60 stages. And then we can just Control D with this one, and then Control R to rotate it. Maybe you can put some landmines in here. And if you guys have difficulty with scripting, you can just go in here and then, ask the assistant, like, can you help me script? And this is what she'll tell you. I'd be happy to help you with scripting in Roblox. To better assist you, could you please share more details about your project? For example, what kind of scripting are you trying to create? Game logic, user input handling, animation control. The other key point is what specific issue are you experiencing or problem you're trying to solve? The third key point, can you provide any existing code you've written so far? So yes, the assistant can help you script. And I'll be like, can grenades in our game. And then it just made the script. But before we do that, before we accept it, we want to see if it made the part, or if it wants us to put the script into the part. So it says the user wants to create a grenade in Roblox. There is no existing grenade object in data model, so we need to create a new part to act as the grenade. We'll add a script to the grenade part that waits for a short delay, simulating the grenade fuse, plays an explosion, creates an explosion at the grenade's position, and destroys the grenade part after exploding. So we'll go ahead and hit accept now, and then we're going to go over to the Explorer and search grenade, and it did create a part for us. I just put gren, which is short for grenade, and then we got to find out where the part went. So this is the part. It made this the grenade part. What in the world? So I guess we can hit Control Duplicate to duplicate us our grenade part, and then take this one out because we don't want that to explode. We want this one to stay as is. And then we can click on this one now that we know it's the grenade part. And then you're going to want to change this to the grenade part. So call it grenade. And y'all, I've only been doing this for like 2 months in studio, maybe 3 months almost. And I've pretty much made 3 decent games. Decent for me. I don't know if it's decent for anybody else, but I was able to do all this. So it's not as hard as it looks. If you got any questions, you just ask the assistant and she'll help you out. So yeah, we're gonna keep this as our grenade part, but we're actually going to make it smaller. So you go to scale right up here in this area, and you can scale it down from here or there, here, and here. You can even make it look like a grenade if you want to, or you could just leave it as a regular part. It's up to you. But we like to make it look like a mine, I guess. Somewhat of a mine. And now we can take this and then move it over, like let's say right here, I guess. That way I can kind of like test it. Just we'll hit play. Turn this down. Oh yeah, that's right. I gotta go get this thing. I forgot. Well, you guys get to see me play this, so you guys got to play like off my head. That's right, I have to climb that. It's so scary. Like this right here is an explosion part too. But I'm not gonna die. You guys can experience that if you want. Oh, well. I missed it, so I'm just gonna jump off. This is somewhat easy, it's somewhat hard. Okay. Got mines in here too, I gotta watch out for. So you can jump on these, just hop across them. It's not like lava where it's gonna kill you, but there are mines in here. I'll even show you, like, I'm on the next stage, so yeah, there was a mine right there. Ay, ay, ay. Come up to here, so there is lava that we don't want to fall in. Some mines. Don't want to get too close to those because they will blow us up. These are also proximity mines, so don't want to get too close to those. Because they will blow us up. Show you guys that they do work. Dang it. And that's what happens when you get blown up and your body parts fly. So I gotta restart that all over again. Supposed to just have me play from here. I don't know why it won't let me play from here. Yeah, so we can go up here and then hit run. Everything's in place. Don't forget to anchor your parts either. So yeah, everything is anchored. Nothing fell. Alright. Just play from here, see if that'll work. Nope. For some reason it won't let me do it. But it is what it is. I was hoping to test that thing out. phone in. Hopefully I don't have to end my live early because my phones are dying. Can you guys hear me? Okay. What are we gonna do? I know what we're gonna do. We're gonna duplicate it. And we're just gonna move it. Since it's having issues here. And then your keys are WASD, so WAS and D. For like W is front, S is back, A is left, D is right. You can also use the arrow keys left, right, forward, down. So, and if you use them both, it's like, yeah, it's weird. It's also good to have a mouse, so you can have a scroll wheel to scroll front and back, and then use the Q and the E key to go up and down. So Q is to go down, E is to go up. EQ, EQ. You guys get the hang of it. So yeah, don't make it seem so hard. It's actually pretty easy. Once you get started into it, eventually it'll be like driving a car. It'll be nothing to you if you're old enough to drive a car. So we're going to Control D this one, and we're going to place it in our lobby. Because the lobby is like where we got a bunch of test parts, and we're just going to make this like, I guess, a bright green. A small bright green. People will think it's a checkpoint and be like, nope, that's a grenade. That is a grenade. I'll probably change it to yellow or something. Or find a model in the toolbox. And then yes, your toolbox is right here. And then your part, to add the part is right there, and then UI, and then your terrain editor. So yeah, let's pull up toolbox. And we'll minimize properties for now. So here's your toolbox. You can minimize Explorer too, I guess. You got all kinds of stuff you can choose from in here. You even got a kill block for an obby, a time leaderboard, which is pretty cool. And if you want people to donate Robux, there's a donation board. You just hit donation board and it'll search for it. This one is the one I use in both of my games for the landmine tower, or landmine obby, that's what I used to call it. But landmine obby, landmine tower, same thing. And then the lava tower. They also have this one. I haven't used this one yet, but this one looks more ideal for me. And then they have this one, which I've seen this in a couple other games before. This one's pretty cool looking. It's got palm trees. And yeah, look for the ones with the highest ratings. At least like 80 and up, maybe. It's crazy how many donation boards they have in here. Let's see. Thank you guys for subscribing. Let's go. But yeah, get started, you guys. It's not that hard. It looks scary at first, but it's actually a lot easier than it looks. And then you can put like tower. People like the slap towers, so the slap towers are very popular. Here's a tower that I use. It's blank though, so you gotta like build out your own way. They even got the Roblox HQ towers. They even got a McDonald's like thing in here. I could probably put this military tower in here. That'd be pretty cool. Tower of Hell Obby. These don't really have any ratings though, so I don't know how those will be. Some of them might have bugs. So yeah, use the ones with high ratings. They got a zombie spawner. What is the zombie spawner about? Zombie spawner for tower defense. Ah, for a tower defense game. That's pretty cool. But yeah, back to our grenade. Where did our grenade go? There's our grenade. I'm just going to put that down here on the ground. I'm going to drag it up though. And then I got a time player leaderboard right here. There's the donation board. And then there's the grenade. And the material is going to be neon. And then there's the color. So we can change the color to whatever we want it to be. I think a forest green. And now we can play here and then see if it works. So we're just going to go back. I tried. That's what I say. Anchor, anchor, anchor. So in order to anchor, there's a little anchor right there. Yep, just click that and it's anchored. Alright, let's try this again. Hit by the mine. No, we're just gonna go this way. Where did it go? I know I anchored it. So yeah, there can be some difficulties here and there. It's like, what happened to it? It's anchored. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and anchor it and then run it. Oh, it did make it a grenade. That was pretty cool. So we gotta fix something here because it just makes it a grenade, a ball. It drops it. So we gotta like go here and then go to the assistant and say, make the grenade throwable. What? That's cool. We'll do that. Make the grenade throwable. Make the grenade throwable. And generate that script here. And we'll just accept that and accept that, and hopefully it will work this time. So there's our grenade. But it explodes. I don't know why it explodes. I gotta fix something. I gotta fix something to where it won't explode until it's been picked up by humanoid. So explode when thrown. Because that should not be doing that. Accept. Run. So there it is. It's still there as a part. I'm just gonna play. Let's see what this does. I gotta go backwards because the data store saves my place. Suck. I might just not have a grenade. Until I can program it to be thrown. We'll just do mines. How's it going? Hi. Just realized there was a comment in here. Thank you guys for coming in and watching me play around with my game. It's called Landmine Tower. If you guys want to look it up. Thank you for subscribing. Let's go. That's 2 subscribers just tonight. Can barely talk, but yeah. So yeah, if you guys want, here's what the game is called, Landmine Tower. And yes, I have to update the questionnaire every time I make a change for, yeah, with all the rules and stuff going on with the schlep situation kind of thing. It says to retake the maturity and compliance questionnaire whenever the content to the experience has been changed. So but if you guys want to make a game, it's pretty simple. You just got to get started, download Roblox Studio, and then just play around with it. There's even tutorials, or if you guys just want to watch me mess around with it, that's cool too. Oh, I can enable microphone. We'll do that. Enable microphone. We're going to change this to a mine. Change part to a mine that explodes 3 seconds after being touched. And then it'll do the script for us. So yeah, just use AI, guys. Scripting is kind of difficult, but you just review the changes if you really want to review them, and then just hit accept. Explosion volume is like at half, which is fine. The blast radius, we can even change the blast radius and make it 10. Weaken humanoid health by 25%. That's fine. Let's go ahead and play that, see what that does. Test our part. After 3 seconds, it should go off. We're literally standing on it. Might have to fix it. Something. Yep, another landmine. I forget where I put them sometimes. Yeah, that's yeah, here's a donation board right here. Step on a landmine. Let's see. What do you guys want to learn? You can even start from a new. Close this out. Here's my landmine one that you guys just saw, and then there's the lava tower obby, and then I have a bunch of other ones in here. But they also have templates. You can start from these blank base plates. They even got a racing one, which is pretty cool. Here's a classic obby, which is pretty simple. And then this is your starting place where you can learn. But yeah, let's go into the racing one. That almost looked like snow for a minute. And these are like the checkpoints right here, these little yellow things that you pass through. I'll click on this one. It's called something. Model race. I guess you can change it. Yeah, you can change it to whatever you want to call it, like a checkpoint or something. And then you can even test in game, so you don't have to save and then go out to like Roblox and then play it, you can actually test your stuff in game. You can spawn a car here and then press E to drive it and then wait for the race to start. This is actually pretty fun. It's not really fun to play by myself all the time, but oh no, we're losing the race. Just kidding. We just kind of play around for fun. So yeah, these are checkpoints. We got nitrous, which is probably the ship key. Yeah. The ship key is nitro. So yeah, it's pretty fun. And yep, it's not showing checkpoints anymore because I missed one. Just hit that one again. There we go. Here's the finish. So yeah, racing games are pretty cool. Yeah, the game is pretty fun. It's actually from a template. But we'll close out of that one. We'll just say no. We're not going to save it. They got a platformer game here. They even got a laser tag one right here. You can even build your own little shop to sell your avatar clothes. And then the suburban one's pretty cool. They got like houses and stuff. You can turn on the lights and stuff. If you like the role play, city life kind of thing. The castle's even pretty cool. But I do mostly obbies. They're just easier. If you're a beginner, it's good to start with an obby. Yeah, thank you guys for subbing. Let's go. I appreciate that. Trying to get my subs up to like 1,000 eventually. Let's see. How do I like somebody's comment? Oh, I think I know. It's probably gonna like mess up my screen. Oh well. We're almost an hour into this, but yeah. message. Awesome. There, I pinned. All right, back to this. Back to business. Where are we at here? Okay. So yeah, you guys can always just like pull up a classic base plate if you really want to. It's up to you what you want to do. And then you just, if you want to place a part, you just go to this little thing. There's your part. It's been placed. And if you want a spawn point, you're going to go over to model right up here. And then over here, you'll see your spawn point. And then you can change the color too if you want. We can make it gray. Can make it even like red or whatever. I don't think anybody really wants a pink one unless you're into the pink color. Go ahead and make it like a brown. I don't know what kind of color brown that is. Oh, it's bronze. You can do dirt brown. And then you go to home. Well, you can still be in model if you want. But you can go to home and then, you know, move it around with these keys. These arrows. Model is transform if you want to transform it. I don't think I've ever done any of that, but this is just to do it this way. That's what transform does. And then if you don't like it that way, you can just hit Control Z to undo it, or Control Y if you want to redo it. You can rotate it, you can scale it, you can even move it in model mode. There's also avatar setup if you want to do that. And then you can test it here. This is if you want to test controller. Which is pretty cool. And player. I never really got too much into this stuff, but I've only been doing this for like almost 3 months. I'm not a super pro, but I do know some things. Like, let me show you guys how to make a hole in a part. So we're just basically going to place a part right here, and then we're going to scale it nice and big, do a little hole in the wall kind of thing, and we can even take our sphere, or not sphere, let's do a cylinder. So we're just gonna delete this part. Or, yeah, delete that one too. So yeah, we're gonna change the color eventually. So we're gonna place the part. There's the part right there. Then we can make it big. Yeah, just like that. We're gonna go over here and look at it this way. And then back it up some. So this is our map right here with our base plate. Scroll, right click to do that. Yep, just like that. Okay. And then we're just going to move this right here. We'll even make it, I don't know, white for now. So we'll pick a color like this, make it white, and then we're going to rotate it. That way it's like that. And then we're going to go to Model, Negate, and then move this over. I know I've done this a bunch of times, so I should know how to do this. And then there it is. We're just going to make it all the way through. Make sure it sticks out on both ends. And then you hit Shift, select that, and select that so they're both selected. And then you click Union, and then there you go. There's your hole. And we can hit play. And we can get an up close look at it. So it's basically like a window. And he's like inside it. Yep. That's all for today, you guys. Thank you guys for watching my live. Thank you guys for subscribing. But I usually go live for about an hour, and it's an hour and 3 minutes right now. So I'm going to take a break. And yeah, be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this.